Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the world of CNC router machines, exploring the top 5 best options out there to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these machines cater to a variety of needs, offering cutting-edge features, durability, and excellent performance. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details. Let's get started. First up, we have the AlgoLaser DIY Kit CNC Router Machine, a versatile and user-friendly option for both beginners and experts. Built with a robust aluminum alloy frame, this machine offers compatibility with multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it highly adaptable. With a powerful optical output ranging from 5 watt to 20 watts, this machine can handle engraving and cutting on a wide variety of materials such as wood, metal, glass, and acrylic. It supports high-speed movement at 20,000 millimeters per min and offers an engraving area of 40 by 40 centimeters, ensuring precision and efficiency for your projects. Equipped with software options like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, it's perfect for anyone looking to bring creative ideas to life. Next, we have the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro CNC Router Machine, an upgraded marvel designed for precision and stability. This machine features thickened components, XYZ limit switches for safety, and a powerful X-axis motor for enhanced torque. With an engraving area of 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters, it's suitable for carving materials like stainless steel, wood, aluminum, and more. It offers compatibility with GRBL software and supports both USB and Wi-Fi connections. A vibrant 4.3-inch touchscreen and various language options make it a user-friendly choice for detailed, high-precision work. Its upgraded durability ensures long-lasting performance, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. Moving on, we have the LUNYEE CNC 3018 Pro Max, a pre-assembled machine that's both convenient and high-performing. Constructed with a strong aluminum frame, it features a 500-watt spindle and an 80mm Z-axis for ample working space, allowing it to handle metal and woodworking tasks effortlessly. With safety features like limit switches and an emergency stop button, it's designed for reliable operation. The machine is powered by GRBL firmware and supports software like Candle and Laser GRBL for precise programming. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, the LUNYEE CNC 3018 offers a seamless and efficient experience, backed by excellent customer support. Next is the TwoWin 6550 CNC Router Machine, which stands out with its expansive 65 by 50 centimeter carving area and innovative design. This machine supports software power adjustments and includes a quick-change laser head with an adjustable focal length. Made from aluminum and thick acrylic materials, it provides excellent stability and durability. It's designed for versatility, capable of engraving on surfaces of unlimited height and handling a wide range of materials. Assembly is straightforward, and the machine includes free lifetime software upgrades, making it a fantastic choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking for flexibility and precision. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the TwoTrees TTC450 CNC Router Machine. This powerhouse combines advanced features with exceptional performance. With an engraving area of 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters, it's perfect for materials like MDF, PVC, solid wood, and even metals like aluminum and copper. Equipped with a 24-volt 775 motor and an engraving speed of up to 800 millimeters per min, it ensures smooth and accurate results. The machine is compatible with GRBL software and supports CAM tools like Carveco Maker and ArtCam. Featuring a sturdy aluminum profile frame, double limit switches, and emergency stop functions, this CNC router is designed for precision, reliability, and safety, making it an unbeatable choice for all your engraving and cutting needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Happy creating!